All right, so this is an example of food prep. Cute little container I have. This particular one is by Joey, and it has, if you lift up, it has little air vents here if you're doing hot things that you can steam, etc. So here's the little container, here's the lid, and I love this bag. I've had this for years. It's just has a label on it, out to lunch. And so then I can take my container and add that into my bag. So I've got my fresh fruit, I've got my coffee, and I've got my container that I cleaned, which goes into my little coffee maker to make self-serve coffee. So I'm going to take this and bring that into my van for the day's journey. So again, having little, pre-planning with items that work for your life, so I can, have containers to bring the fresh fruit that I want, and container for my coffee, and a thermos is just always such a great thing. This thermos, I just quickly rinse it out in the van, and then I would make new fresh hot water in the coffee pot in the van, and then I can refill this up again. So it just keeps the temperature hotter longer. All right, have a good day, everybody, and on your way.